In this video, I will show you how you can clone and download any paid templates of ThemeForest, customize it, and finally upload the design on the web server and make it live on the internet. If you go to the ThemeForest, you can see there are lots of paid templates and the designs are amazing and those are so costly. You can see there are some are $9 and some are $17. So in this quick video, I will show you everything what you need to clone a paid template. This video is only for educational purpose. We are not encouraging you to copy any intellectual properties. Consider subscribe our channel. Our video provide exclusive and valuable information for free. I am Taslimul Hasan, a professional web designer and developer. So let's dive into the topic. So if you go to the ThemeForest and click on the templates, there are lots of templates. We will go to the HTML templates and then personal. Those are the portfolio templates. So we choose this one. On this template, there are many demos. So we pick the first one. The website will look like this. This is very professional. Design is modern. So we will clone this and customize it. To get started, go to Google and search for wget download and click the first one and download this exe file on your computer. I already downloaded it and copy this exe file to your desktop. Now open the command and write this prompt cd desktop, press enter, then copy this prompt and paste it on the command line. After this prompt, put the URL of the design. So we copy the design URL and paste it after the prompt, then press enter and it will start downloading on our computer. The download has been completed. Now go to your desktop. Now you will find a new folder with the name of the website domain. Open this and click on the folder themes. You need to find the index.html. Just click on this index.html, then you will access this on your computer. This is the website we have successfully downloaded to our computer, and this website is same to same like the reference website, like the paid template of ThemeForest. If you notice on the link, this link is our computer link, and if you notice on this here, this is the demo link, and the demo and our website that is downloaded on our computer is same to same. Now on the next step, I will show you how you can customize this. Now if you want to change the image or change the text, just select the text and go back to the code. Open this HTML file with Notepad or Notepad++ or any other editor you have on your computer. Then Ctrl F and find this text. So this is where the text is. Now you can change it, change the name. After changing the changes, save this file and go back to that page again and reload it. You can see the changes are happened. You can see the changes are shown here. This is how you can change everything, every content of this page. If you want to change the image, you can also change that. To change the image, right click on the image and open that image on a new page. Now check the directory. The directory is images/about/about.jpg. Go to the files and now go to the images, then about. Then you can see the about.image, and you can replace this image and just rename the image about-image.jpg. Now copy this name and remove this image and rename the new image with the same name. Then go back to this page again, reload this page, and you can see the new image will be appear. So this is the new image that appeared. So this is how you can change everything from this page. Literally everything, you can change everything. To change this text, just copy this text. I am showing you again. Just copy this text and go back to the editor again, find this text and change this text. After changing, just save it and go back to that website again and reload this, and you can see the change has been happened. So this is how you can change literally everything of this page. Now if you want to upload this design, upload your new design to your web server, scroll down to this video, click on the description. You can see many web servers with offers. To host this on Hostinger, click here and buy the hosting. To host it on the cheapest server is Namecheap. Click here, buy the domain and hosting, and host your file on the web server and make it live on the internet. Now if you want to clone any design using ChatGPT, click on the left video. And if you want to convert this design into WordPress theme, just click on the right video. I will meet you there. Please smash that like button and consider subscribe our channel to get more videos like this for free.